Are you tired of the rat race? Want to make sure you never become rich? Well, you're in the right place. Here's a lighthearted but insightful look at behaviors and attitudes that could guarantee staying poor for the rest of your life, and trust me, they work. 1. Never set financial goals. Just wing it. Never bother with setting long-term goals or creating a financial plan. Who needs goals, right? Just go with the flow. Let life happen and hope that somehow, someday, millions fall into your lap. 2. Everything you earn. Why save when you can spend? Buy that new gadget, car, or designer outfit right away. Forget about budgeting. It's overrated. After all, saving is for suckers. 3. Avoid learning about money. Ignore financial literacy completely. Don't read about investing, saving, or managing money. Assume that learning about finance is only for the wealthy. Knowledge is overrated. 4. Depend entirely on one source of income. Rely solely on your job or a single income stream. Multiple streams of income? Just stick to that one job forever. Job security is a myth anyway, right? 5. Live beyond your means. Spend more than you earn. Max out those credit cards and take loans to fund your lifestyle. The more debt, the merrier. 6. Procrastinate on saving for retirement. Don't worry about saving for the future. There's always time later to think about retirement. For now, just focus on enjoying the present without any consideration for your older self. 7. Blame others for your financial situation. Always have an external excuse for your financial state. Blame the government, your boss, or the economy. But never take personal responsibility. 8. Refuse to invest. Avoid investing altogether. Stick to keeping cash under your mattress or in a low-interest savings account. Stocks, real estate, or starting a business are too risky. 9. Surround yourself with negative influences. Hang out with people who discourage ambition, criticize your dreams, or encourage bad spending habits. After all, why strive for success when you can stay comfortable in mediocrity? 10. Ignore self-improvement. Never invest in yourself. Avoid learning new skills, growing your network, or seeking opportunities for personal development. Just stick to what you know. Why improve? There you have it. Follow these 10 steps and you'll be poor for life. But if you're actually looking to grow, then maybe, just maybe, consider doing the exact opposite. Thanks for watching. For more self-tips, follow and subscribe.